Hello friends, on this video right I'm going to show you how you can allow notification for apps on your iPhone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to turn on your apps notification, here you can see the setting option. Just tap on setting. When you move on setting, from here you can see the option of the notification. So here you have to tap on notification. When you tap on notification, you have to scroll on the down and you have to select from here any of the apps that you want to hide, or you want to allow the notifications. Okay, suppose from here I off this share karo apps notification. I just off it. So if you want to allow it, just tap on share karo apps. Then after that, here you can see allow notification and here's the icon option. Just click on this icon and here share karo apps will be activate. Okay, you too, you can activate like this. And if you want to off, then you just click on this icon like this and here your allow notification will be shut off. Okay, if you want to activate, then again you just tap on this icon, here it will be activate. And from here, from the alert options, you can select the icons also. Example, for the lock screen, you want to activate or not the notifications. Okay, and here is the notification center and here is the banners. Okay, so if you want to off the banner, you just unselect, and if you want to allow, then you can select. Even you can turn off the notification sound also by just clicking on this icon. Here notification sound will be set off. Okay, but if you want to off, then you can off. If you want to on, you can on. And here is the badges. If you want to off the badges, you can off also. Okay friends, so this is how you can off and on your notifications on your mobile phone. Okay, you can on and off also. This is notification settings. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.